You've probably heard the term cool season vegetables, but what exactly does it mean? And more importantly, why are these crops your single greatest asset in the garden right now? Today we are going far behind just naming vegetables. I'm revealing the 5 key reasons these plants are sweeter, tougher, more resilient, and why timing them correctly can completely transform your harvests. Cool season vegetables are plants that thrive in moderate temperatures, typically between 13 and 24 degrees. These aren't summer divas like peppers and tomatoes. These are the workhorses that carry your garden through winter and early spring. You can think of them in 3 simple categories. Leafy greens, like lettuce, spinach, Swiss chard; root crops, like carrots, radishes, beets; and brassicas, like broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. These 3 groups make up nearly everything you can successfully grow outside the heat of summer. And once you understand them, winter gardening suddenly becomes simple. Now, here is the real magic. The number 1 reason you should grow cool season vegetables is their incredible flavor. A flavor you can only get in cold weather. When exposed to frost or even just chilly nights, these crops perform an amazing survival trick. They convert their internal starches into sugars to protect their cells from freezing. And the result? A noticeably sweeter, gentler flavor. Kale becomes mild and tender, Brussels sprouts lose their bitterness, carrots can taste almost like candy. Planting cool season vegetables now, early in the year, gives you a major strategic advantage. Why? Because you are planting them during their natural growing window, before the long, hot days of late spring arrive. Heat triggers plants like lettuce, spinach, and many brassicas to bolt, meaning they shoot up a tall seed stalk and stop producing edible leaves. Once they bolt, bitterness kicks in and your harvest is essentially lost. By planting cool season crops now, you beat the clock. They mature in the cool weather they love, well before bolting season begins. This is one of the biggest secrets of successful winter and early spring gardeners. Even though cool season crops are tough, they do have preferences. They grow best when the soil stays consistently moist but drains well, temperatures sit in that sweet spot of 13 to 24 degrees, the weather is stable and cool. Here is the crucial tip most beginners don't know. Many cool season seeds, especially lettuce, spinach, and many brassicas, will germinate perfectly well in cold soil, even below 4 degrees. This means you can start growing long before warm season crops even wake up. While tomatoes need warm soil and sunny days, cool season vegetables quietly begin their race to maturity the moment the soil is workable. Finally, cool season vegetables are surprisingly resilient. Most can tolerate a light frost without any issues at all. And some, like kale, carrots, and parsnips, actually become more flavorful and more cold hardy the longer they stay in the ground. A simple layer of mulch, a cloche, or a basic row cover gives them all the protection they need from harsher dips in temperature. They are tough plants built to survive and even thrive, in conditions that shut down summer crops completely. So there you have it, 5 powerful reasons why cool season vegetables are the secret to delicious winter gardening. They are sweeter, more resilient, and incredibly strategic when planted at the right time. Master these 5 principles and you go from a casual planter to a confident, intentional gardener. Let me know in the comments, which cool season vegetables are you planting first this year? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart, seasonal gardening tips.